If you want to trade with interactive brokers but use Ninjatrader's advanced charts and tools, you need to connect the two. Doing this allows you to execute live trades on IBKR while analyzing markets in Ninjatrader, perfect for serious traders. Right, so to begin, you download and install Ninjatrader on your computer. Make sure you have Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation or IB Gateway installed and updated. Ninjatrader connects through IB's API, which runs via TWS or the gateway. And then open TWS, go to File, Global Configuration, API, and Settings. Check Enable ActiveX and Socket Clients. Add the local host to trusted IPs and remember the port number. So in Ninjatrader, you open up your app, of course, and go to Connections and Configure. Click Add, choose Interactive Brokers, then enter your account type and, of course, the host and the port number. After that, you save the connection. And that's it. Ninjatrader is now connected to your Interactive Brokers account. You can analyze markets, set alerts, and execute trades seamlessly while using Ninjatrader's advanced tools. Guys, thanks for watching. If you need any more tutorials on these services, let us know. And thanks for watching. See you next time.